Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This video is for class 10 mathematics and the chapter is first chapter real numbers and the topic we are going to cover today is 1.2 Euclid's division lemma and the page number we are going to start from is 5. So starting from page number 5, the first example 1. Use Euclid's algorithm to find the HCF of 4052 and 12576. So to start with, the same HCF method, 4052 and the dividend is 12576. So first 4052 3 times 1, 2, 1, 5, 6. Remainder will be 420. Now for this we can write as 1, 2, 5, 7, 6 equals to 4052 into 3 plus 420, which is A equals B Q plus R. So multiplication, addition. This is A is equal to B into Q plus R. So since this is not equal to 0 or is not equal to 0, we have to do it again. So 420 into 4052. This comes down here. So in 420, get 9 times 3780. So subtract this 2, 7, 2. Again this is not equal to 0. So this comes here. Before that, for this one, 4052 equals 420 into 9 plus 272. So the same step repeats again. 420. So 270 it will be like one time. So 272. The remaining will be 148. So which is not equal to 0. So repeat this process again. Before that, 420 equals 272 into 1 plus 148. So in the next step, this 272 goes here. So 148 and 272. (148), 272. It will be like 1 times 148 and the remainder will be 124, which is again not equal to 0, but 272 equals 148 into 1 plus 124. 124. Next step, this goes down here, which means 124 and 148. Again 1 times, it is 124. The remainder will be like 24. Same thing. 148 equals 124 into 1 plus 24. Now since this is not equal to 0, this 124 comes down here. 24 and 124, which is 5 times 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10, 11, 12. The remainder will be 4. And this 24 comes down here. Before that, 124 equals 24 into 5 plus 4. So in the next step, 24 comes down here. So 4 6 are 24, 0. So same thing. So for this 24 equals 4 into 6 plus 0. Since this R is becomes 0, the value of HCF will be the divisor, which is 4. So the HCF of 12576 and 4052 is 0. Euclid's division lemma algorithm is not only useful for calculating the HCF of very large numbers, but also because it is one of the earliest examples of an algorithm that a computer had been programmed to carry out. Let's see the second example. So the example 2, example 3 and some other sums will be of similar type, so we will work it out later. Now the example 4 is, it has sweet seller has 420 Kaju burfis and 130 Badam burfis. So she wants to stack them in such a way that each stack has the same number and they take up the least area of the tray. So what is the maximum number of burfis? So maximum number, which means the HCF, can be placed in each stack for the purpose. So that's why we are going for HCF. Same thing, 420 and 130. We have to calculate the HCF for 420 and 130. You can just try this here. It's not a big problem. So 130 comes out here and 420. So 130 will be like 3 times 3 0, 3 3s are 9 and 3 3. So 0, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30 times. So since this is not equal to 0, and the first step is 130 into 3 plus 30. 130 into 3 and this plus 30. Now for this 30 we have to do this. So 130 becomes the dividend. So 30 will be like 4 times is 120. So the remainder will be 10. Same again, it's not equal to 0. So write this step, 30 into 4 plus R. A equal to B cube plus R. Now for this 30 becomes the dividend. So 10 3s are 30, 0. Since we got the 0, this is going to be the highest common factor. So 10 is the highest common factor. So we'll work out the exercise tomorrow in the next session. Thanks for watching. Do try these sums. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comments and I'll try to solve it. Thank you.